Chris from Epix Systems here. This is a short tutorial on how to approve absence requests within the back office system. You may have already had this switched on for the engineers or the operatives using the mobile app to allow them to make holiday or absence requests using the app. If not, that is something that you can do, and there is a separate video on that. But this video is all about the approval process from the back office side. Now, in order to get this working, there are certain things that will need to be set up. One of those things is to actually configure the approval process within the system. So you'll need to ask us to turn that on for you. Once that's turned on, you then need to make sure that the users that you want to be able to approve absence requests have got the relevant permission to do so. This may be something that you can do from within your organisation and your own logins. However, depending on if you've got somebody who has got user admin permissions or not. If you haven't got that person, then you might need to ask us to do that for you. But I will show you very briefly how to set the relevant permission against a user in case you've got that permission in your system. So in order to set the permission to allow you to authorise any absence requests, you need to go into the setup menu and you're looking for system users. So if you don't have this, then you need to find someone within your organisation that does, or if you haven't got anybody and you would like it, then you need to ask us for permission for this. But you would go into the system users area, and then from the search screen we would find the user who you want to give the permission to. So I'm going to use my blog demo user for now. I'll press search. Now from this screen the result is found, and we simply press edit. And from here, on this table over here, we've got a list of permissions, and the one that we're looking for is the one labelled Operative Management. So this needs a tick. If they haven't got the tick in that box, they won't be able to authorise the absence request. So once you've ticked that, simply press continue to save their account, and because we've made a change to their permissions, they will have to log out of the system by simply pressing the log out button, and then they need to log back in again for those changes to take effect. Now, if you have got the user permission of the operative management so that you can authorise these requests, any holidays that you create yourself or any absences that you would create yourself using the absence booking menu, those will automatically be authorised. You won't have to go through the authorisation process for those. If the operatives request them via the mobile app, then those will not be authorised, so somebody with the permission of operative management will have to authorise those. Likewise, if there's someone in the back office that doesn't have the operative management permission, they might be able to request them using this menu option if you've granted them that, but they won't be able to authorise that, so it will appear on the list of requests awaiting authorisation. Now, the list of the unauthorised or awaiting authorisation requests are of course available as a report, but they are also available on the dashboard using the unauthorised absence details. So I've got this one on my dashboard already. If you haven't got this and you need to add it, then you can do that by personalising your dashboard, and there is a video and a user manual explaining how to do that. But if I just quickly show you, on the personalise button, the one that you're looking for is near the bottom of the list, and it's this one here, the unauthorised absence requests. So you would put that one at a location on your dashboard and save it, and then it will appear here once you've refreshed your dashboard. So as we can see, I've got the one here that has been requested that has not yet been authorised. So this person has requested a day off, so all we do is we simply click on the name of the operative. This report then will show any annual leave or any other requests that have been granted around that time. Here is the request that we're trying to approve, and we can either press authorise to grant that request, or we can reject it. And if we're going to reject it, we would probably provide a reason, so that way when the operative sees the rejection on their mobile device, they'll see the reason why you've done that. But if we were happy with this, we would just simply press authorise. If I now go back here to our dashboard and I refresh this dashboard widget, we'll now find that there are none to process because we've now done that. So that was an authorised request. And that's as simple as that. Most of the videos you've seen is about setting it up to make sure you can do it. The process itself of approving is very simple. You just simply click on the request and then choose whether you want to authorise or reject it. Any problems in setting this up, or if you've got any questions at all, don't hesitate to give us a shout.